This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Stop, baby, please! Woo-hoo-hoo! Crazy time! Good morning! Let's go! Ayo, Captain Jack! Ayo, Captain Jack! Woo-hoo-hoo! So, 100x is gonna be the highest one. Decision time. Green, blue, yellow, fellow. What you gonna do? Alina gonna choose. I'm gonna go for the yellow this time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Have a good one. We got double 20, 25. We double on a green one. Woo, woo, woo. So now the highest one, we got a 200x. Woo, woo. Let's go. It's another double troubling. Woo! We're gonna go for the 400x. Let's go. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 112,918 euros.
Maybe. What do you say? 10,000 winners during the round. Well played. Player age 2.7,000. Let's continue. Okay? I got a good feeling we can get some more. Right? Good luck. Oh, Elmo. 5x on Cashin. Obviously, I knew I can count on you on that one. Yes! All right, everybody. Now the real party starts. We going for a hunt for Cashin with 5x. Dear players, how you doing? I bet definitely better than before. So, while it's here, 108 multipliers, this is gonna be such a good round. We get plenty of hundreds on a wall, and before we start, we make every multiplier 5 times more. That means 500x is the max, and we get a ton of those, which means you have pretty high chance to hunt them, right? I think that's the case. We will wait a little bit. I think the wall itself is pretty. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Patience, and we did it. This beautiful carousel finally started. And now, it's your time to shine. You got that one shot. Take your time, make that choice. And I truly wish you all the best. I hope you will be able to hunt down that 500x because we got a lot of those on this wall. Last seconds to do that, or just leave it to our topic. Okay, I will choose together with you as always. I want star.
This is the amount of money issued 741,574 euros.
Wait, time to go back to the wheel and celebrate those wins. Are you kidding me? 1,200 of you get 500x. More than 1,200 of you. What? People, you are amazing. Again, congratulations, everybody. And we can continue. Petro! Petra, it was so good to see you, babes. Thank you so much for this day. Mwah.
This is the amount of money issued 447,879 euros.
Than coin flip, yes, because it was a 25x. Oh yes, see? True, dude. It's not you. See, for sure. Never look into yourself for your problems. See, you're right. Your failures are everybody else's fault, not yours. 5x in a cash for the top slot. Never improve. That could be it. That could be it. Okay! 5x cash hunt as well. Now, see, go out. No, get out, see. You don't get this. If you bet on it, get out. I want you here. All right, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the cash hunt. Let's see what kind of multipliers we're getting this time around. Hopefully a good board. It's the single 100 board, but it's a 5 times board. Let's see what we get in, though. That's a bunch of good ones, right? Everybody, that's a bunch of good ones. So, let's get it. 500x the highest multiplier. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Okay, see, I miss you. You shouldn't be here, honestly. With that kind of flame, you shouldn't be here. All right, everybody. Decision time is right now. Pick an item on the board, take your shot. Let's see what kind of multipliers you're getting this time around. If you don't want it, there's always an auto pick option after the decision timer is over. My pick is right here on the target. I don't know what it is. We'll see what we get. All right, decision closing. Multiplier reveal right now.
This is the amount of money issued 69,426 euros.
People got 500x. 2,402 winners. Congratulations. Not bad, not bad. Betting time is open. Alright, let's go again. 250.
4x right now for a crazy time from the top side. What do you mean rereads? I mean like on here. Oh, can we please catch that? And my ladies as well as my gentlemen, it's going to be a crazy time with a 4x multiplier from the top slots. Congratulations. Okay, come on right in. Okay, so welcome to Crazy Time, everybody. We got a 4x multiplier from the top slot. And decision time's now open. We got green, we got blue, and we got yellow. Pick your favorite color, and let's see what are we going to catch. The decision time's now done. Max multiplier to catch is an 800x, everyone. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 122,738 euros.
100x on green and 200x on yellow. Okay, so welcome back from the Crazy Time Madness. Congratulations to the winners. There were some nice multipliers out there. I hope you enjoyed. The highest one that we got was a 200 and the best colors 100x. Solid Crazy Time. This is going to be one of my last spins. Thank you for the session. But they're close.
Come back, baby. Come back with me into a clockwise direction. Somebody says, change the letter. No. Unfortunately, but that's not how it works. I mean, I would have all of my biggest pleasures, if somebody would say change dealer, and it eventually would be like that. I would be obliged to leave the studio. Oh, hell no. So sad it doesn't look like that. Crazy Time with a 2x multiplier. Man says, I'm gonna cry. Deep inside, everybody is already crying. Let's just say that. Crazy Time with a double, ladies and gentlemen, and that is the truth of evening, eh? I was waiting for that bad boy. Whew. I mean, at least something. We cannot stay whole night without nothing. Oh, welcome back to the Crazy Time. Observe the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of the doubles are available right there, but still yet, that's not an end. We've doubled everything right now. 200x multiplier will be the highest one right now, and you must pick one of the three colors that you like. Green, blue, or the yellow one. This is only your choice, and best of luck in it. And as far as I see, the biggest part of the players decided to go with the blue color. I mean, that's 51% of the players. Best of luck, everybody, on that. Boom, man, right near the 200 and a double yellow team goes. And a blue team, which has a 51% of the players, just got a double. Man, that's already a 4x Crazy Time for everybody. Look, 400x is the highest one for this one.
This is the amount of money issued: 447,879 euros.
X multiplier. And is this real? Is this real, chat? Is this a Crazy Time with a 4x multiplier? Do I see everything clearly? Oh my days. Welcome back, everybody. Woo. Okay, joking. Not knocking out the door yet. What's good in the neighborhood, my penguins? Hey, dubs up, everybody. Dubs up, everybody. That is a 4x Crazy Time, man. We're going crazy. Look at that. How many doubles out there, baby. I really do hope we experience a 10x Crazy Time today as well. But you need to catch a double for that, by the way. That might be problematic. All right. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, the most hard decision. Color. What is it going to be? Green, blue, or the yellow one? I mean, perhaps a red flapper would be a good choice. The thing is ain't no red flapper. 500x is the highest one. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! 100, 125, and a double for the yellow team. That is a 10x Crazy Time for everybody on the yellow flapper, man. 1000x is the highest one. And power of the bald head, baby.
This is the amount of money issued: 49,236 euros.
I've been way more bigger.
And of course, I wish you all the best of luck in this round. Let's go. Begging you to put your loving hand down. Let's go. Praise out 3x. So, let's go. Somebody call 911. Bada boom, bada bang. We got the key. We're going to the red door. Let's go. Crazy time. Come with me. Let's go inside. Welcome, players. Welcome to the crazy time. Let's place all those multipliers. We have a 3 extra on the top slot. Let's put it on. And now it is time for you to make your decisions. If you won't make your decisions, they will be made automatically. Now 3 colors, blue, purple, blue, and yellow. See that blue has your hearts. Highest multiplier is going to be 300x, and good luck. $60, double, and 60. Let's double the wheel for the yellow team. Now the highest multiplier is going to be 600 extra. Pressing, and let's go. That's another double. Let's double the wheel one more time. This time the highest multiplier is 1,200x. Good luck. Let's go, blue.
This is the amount of money issued to 188,823 euros.
Fireball. Toot, 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 toot. Guess who's back? Back again. Ladies, better tell a friend. Woo! See some nice wins. Wow, we were 2,000 of you. Well done. 6,660x. That was our crazy time. Correct.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.